Hello everyone. Just want to do a quick video on Milwaukee tools warranty repair. Now this really has to do with a battery. I had not really used one of these two batteries since I bought it new a few months ago. But one day I come out and when I put this battery in, the light went green. Obviously it was already charged. About a minute later it started blinking red, and I took it out and tried it again, tried it on a different charger, even tried it on a portable charger. And if you read the little cards down here, it says the battery's probably corrupt. So I got online, used their online warranty service. Took maybe a minute and a half, fill out my name, what the product was, what the problem was, and submitted it. They give me the option of taking it to a service center, which was about 30 miles away, traffic. It was a battery. I didn't need it today. I didn't need it this week, so I opted just to mail it in. No problem. They give me a sticker to print off. I put it on, and I dropped it off in the mail. About a week, no, it wasn't that long. About 5 or 6 days later, I got an email in the mail saying that the thing had been replaced or repaired, which it was replaced, and they were shipping it back. So it was 10 business days from the time it left me to the time it got back to me. But I live about as far away from that repair facility as you can, by FedEx travel time. So I'm sure that yours wouldn't even be that long. Or you could probably take it to a local service center if you're in a major city. I just didn't want to mess with the traffic and everything for a battery and have it back maybe that day or the next day. But the whole issue was, it was all great. No problems, no issues, no nothing. No hesitation, no making you feel bad, no nothing. I mean, it was just all perfect. Got a new battery. It was 2 weeks to the day, but you got to remember 4 of those days were weekends. Anyway, quick video. Great customer service, no problems, no issues. Loving the Milwaukee line. All right, guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. This was just a quick one on the Milwaukee warranty. Like I said, everything is perfect. Everybody have a great day.